When we face problems, it can be challenging to express ourselves clearly, especially in a second language like English. Today, I want to share some effective ways to talk about problems that will help you communicate better and feel more confident. First, let's start with how to express a problem. It's important to be direct but polite. You might say, I'm having trouble with, or I'm facing a challenge regarding. This sets the stage for a constructive conversation. For example, if you're struggling with a project at work, you could say, I'm having trouble meeting the deadline for this project. This not only states the issue, but also opens the door for further discussion. Next, asking for help is a crucial part of problem solving. When you need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. You can phrase it like this: could you help me with? Or, I would appreciate your advice on. This shows that you value the other person's input. For instance, if you're unsure about a task, you might say, could you help me with this report? I'm not sure how to start. This invites collaboration and support. Now let's talk about expressing frustration. It's normal to feel frustrated when things don't go as planned. You can express this feeling by saying, I'm really frustrated because, or it's disappointing that, for example, I'm really frustrated because my computer crashed right before the presentation. This not only communicates your feelings, but also helps others understand your perspective. Finally, seeking solutions is key to overcoming problems. Instead of just focusing on the issue, shift the conversation toward finding a resolution. You might say, what can we do to fix this? Or, I'd like to explore some solutions together. This proactive approach encourages teamwork and innovation. For instance, what can we do to fix this scheduling conflict? This invites others to brainstorm and collaborate on a solution. Remember, effective communication about problems involves being clear, respectful, and solution-oriented. By expressing your issues, asking for help, sharing your frustrations, and seeking solutions, you'll not only improve your English skills, but also foster better relationships with those around you. So, the next time you encounter a problem, use these strategies to express yourself confidently. You'll find that talking about problems can lead to understanding and collaboration, making it easier to navigate challenges together.